Hello, I'm Manu Aviles-Santiago, Interim Dean at the College of Integrated Sciences and Arts at Arizona State University. And it is my pleasure to welcome you to CISA. You're joining ASU's fastest growing college with the hands-on and applied learning at its core. At CISA, we think, we do, we learn. In the next 4 years, we want to help you turn your passion into a successful career. I encourage you to get acquainted with my ASU. It connects you to instructors, your schedule, email, financial aid, and more. Follow us on social media to learn about events, get updates, and see what other Sun Devils are doing. Join us on Discord to connect to other incoming students and get tips from current students. Faculty and staff in the College of Integrated Sciences and Arts are here every step of the way to keep you moving toward your goals. There are so many exciting opportunities on the horizon, and we cannot wait to see what you do. I will see you in fall 2026. Until then, don't hesitate to reach out to an advisor, request a tour of our campus, or to answer any questions you may have. Big dreams, bold moves, and maybe a few coffee-fueled late nights. We'll be with you throughout it all. Let's do this together.